head of the caudate nucleus.
Yeah, what's this?
That's the beginning of the putamen.
That's right. And then you can also see a suggestion of cellular bridges
sorry.
here.
Suggestion.
Now, what's that?
Oh, looks like a vascular accident of some sort.
Yeah, that was a CVA.
Hemorrhage.
Yeah, it's a hematoma or a hemorrhage. And then this one, well, the next one back shows some scattered smaller ones in here. But what's a condition that goes with diffuse CVAs in the corpus striatum?
Chorea.
That's right. That's
What is
correct.
it?
Chorea, like Huntington's chorea, for instance. And there are other choreas as
People in
well.
Korea.
Yeah.
Like people in Korea have
Absolutely.
Okay, now we are.
Is that done?
There's an important one that needs to be shown. It's probably this one right over here. Let's see if I have to flip it. No, this is the correct side for showing this next thing.
I don't think anyone
Okay, now,
does this. Nobody does this.
Long hours, right? From 8 o'clock.
which side?
This is the anterior side.
How do you know that?
because you see.
Because the ventricles are, no, that doesn't say it.
It's the posterior side.
Posterior side, sorry.
You see more
What says that?
the
Trying to figure it
hippocampus.
out.
Can you say hippocampus?
Look over here.
Amygdaloid nuclear.
Amygdaloid?
Huh?
I don't know.
I just totally
please
guessed
tell
that.
us?
Oh,
By
'cause I'm
itself
like-
wouldn't show it. There's
I
something
never
else
heard of that
Can you
before.
tell us?
Yes, I
really,
can.
I
Thank you.
really don't know why.
Was it- What area are you talking
What
about?
is this right over here?
Is that
That indentation?
Yeah, there's one here it is on the other side.
I have
the
no idea.
hippocampus?
I don't
That
think
is
that's
the
a-
pole of the inferior horn of the lateral ventricle. And you can only see a pole like that if you're looking from P to A. Those are the poles.
By posterior.
Yeah, those are the poles of the inferior horns of the lateral ventricle, and also the inferior poles of the whole ventricle.
Okay.
So this says that this is the posterior side. Now, what's this mass of gray over here?
Hippocampus.
The amygdaloid
Yeah,
nuclear.
it's a hard G, though. It's
Wait,
with a
that's
hard
the
G.
Wait,
How do you pronounce that? I don't know.
Amygdaloid.
Amygdaloid.
can you point that amygdaloid out?
Yeah, here's the pole of the inferior horn of the lateral ventricle. In the medial wall of the inferior horn, right over there, there's a mass of gray of relatively small size. So the next section back will already be gone, and that mass of gray is the amygdaloid nucleus or amygdala. What is this? What is this gray on the medial side of the temporal lobe over here, medial to the amygdaloid nucleus? That's
Hippocampus, beginnings of it.
no.
For the cerebellum?
It begins with a U.
Uncus.
That's right.
Oh,
So it's going from lateral to medial.
Where you go all the way
You have the
to
pole of the
That's
inferior horn of the lateral ventricle, also called the inferior pole of the whole ventricle. The amygdala or amygdaloid nucleus, that's this gray, and then the gray is, which is superficial on the medial side of the temporal lobe right over there, is the uncus.
yeah,
Uncus. Okay, moving on.
we're done with that one.
Next one?
Yeah.